Now what did I do?
Talk about what you're wearing. So Joe, where's your jacket from?
Where's my jacket from?
My wardrobe.
It's your jacket. Top from Fred Perry and jeans from, can't remember, outfit of the day.
Outfit.
Done. Professional.
Let's leave it to the professionals, shall we? Hi. Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. We are off out for breakfast this morning and probably need to run for the train if I'm honest. So let's quickly show you what I'm wearing. I have the same outfit that I've been wearing so much. It's just this simple black ASOS top, and then I've got my jeans from Topshop with a little Topshop buckle back there as well. This black coat is from Topshop too, and my boots and my Chelsea boots from Another Stories. Also bringing Tess with me, my little baby Tess. I'm really loving her. That is what I'm wearing today for breakfast. Let's go and eat some food. We did order 2 breakfasts each. The same thing. Agreed. Absolute agreed. 2 breakfasts. Now and slightly more rained on than I was before, but Joe's just gone off for a few hours to do something and I have just been pottering around. We actually went to Arundel, which is quite a cute little, I guess it's a city, it's got a castle. Maybe it's a city, maybe it's a town, but it's a really cute little place. It's got some really amazing like independent cafes, little boutique-y shops and things like that, no chains. So it's a really nice place, and I did some Christmassy shopping. I bought a few presents and some bits. I also picked up something for, maybe not myself, but the house, which I absolutely love. I walked into one of the stores which was called Pots and Posies, it's so cute, and I saw these, let me show you. Also got a giant bunch of eucalyptus, which is kind of in the way, but yeah, I went into this store and I saw these, I guess, frames hanging up. Let me get these out actually. So they had these amazing, really simple like black glass frames which are kind of see-through, hanging up. They had them all hanging up in a row and I thought they looked so good. They've got these little bits of like foliage inside them, and I decided to get all 4 of them because I've actually been looking for some, I guess, some artwork to go in a blank space above my sofa for ages, and I haven't been able to find the right thing, and I just thought these were so simple and minimal and cool, and I just I really loved the colors, the black frame as well, and the colors. So I might go and put these up. Let me show you where I'm gonna have them. So this is the space here, as you can see, above my sofa. It is just a big blank white wall, and I've been thinking about putting something up there for a really long time. So I think the 4 of those, just kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, could look really cool. I might try and get those up to date if I can. My actual mission for the rest of the day and this weekend, in fact, is to Christmasify the house. I don't have my tree up yet, I don't have any lights up, and it is now, I think it's the 7th? Okay, it's the 8th. I don't have anything up yet, so I'm gonna go into this cupboard, this scary cupboard, pull out what I can. I might not be able to get the tree out because it is literally stuck right at the bottom, so I'll see what I can do, but I'm definitely gonna get some lights out, some decorations. So yes, hopefully by the end of the day Christmas should be here. I also actually stopped in on my way back home to the florist here We have a really sweet little independent florist in town, and I ordered a Christmas wreath, which I've never done before. I've always had a fake one, but they had some in the window and they look so gorgeous. So yeah, I went and ordered one, which should be here on Monday, and that should pretty much be it. I'm very excited because I got to pick everything I wanted in it, and I think it's going to be nice. Here they are. What do we think? I'm not sure if I should have spaced them out a little bit more, but I quite liked them all together like this, so they weren't too far apart. I think I've hung them straight. I realised I didn't have a spirit level, so it's feeling kind of cozy here now in this room. I actually really like these. I think they're a bit different and just like a little bit more personal than having some prints. I also moved the advent calendar down to here. Hello, yes, that's your advent calendar. Aren't you a lucky girl? My dad actually got me this one, which was so sweet of him. So I wanted them all together. We've got the Big Liberty one, the Yankee Candle one, and Moon's advent calendar. This one I've been cracking open. I've got quite a few little candles to use now. I might put some of those on now. I know what you want. I haven't got anything for you. But I haven't opened this one for quite a while, so I thought we would do that now. I think I got up to number 4. This is not your advent calendar, so we should be on number 5. There it is, well done. Number 5, let's see, or have I already opened this? No. So this is the Skin Laundry Wrinkle Release Facial Sheet Mask. I really love a sheet mask. I will no doubt use this sometime soon, if not today or tomorrow. I feel like I could do with a bit of refreshing for sure, so that sounds really cool. Number 6 is down here. I've actually heard quite a lot about this brand, but I've never tried anything from them. So this is the Votary Super Seed Nutrient Cream. Let's read the little card inside here. Fragrance-free, anti-inflammatory, super seed oils, calming, hydrating, good for winter skin. That sounds nice. I'm actually running low on moisturizer, so that could be something that I'd try next. 7 is down here. This feels like Christmas. I'm opening all these little presents. What is this one? Oh, this is Laura Mercier. It's a mini, I think, of their translucent setting powder. How adorable and sweet is that? You also get a little puff with it. And then number 8, I did say it was the 8th today, didn't I? I think so. Yep, I thought it was gonna be this. It's the Pixi Glow Tonic in another really sweet mini. I haven't used this for years and years and years. It used to be one of the only AHA toners available in the market, and then obviously nearly every single brand brought one out. So I haven't tried this for a long time. I feel like this is quite a strong one. My skin is a little bit sensitive to glycolic acid, but it's been a long time since I've used this, so I might just try it again to see. So that's my little beauty haul for today from this calendar. What number are we on for Moon's calendar? Let's do number 6. I think that's where we stopped. What have you got? What's that? You gonna take it out? Here you go. Treat for you. No thanks. Nothing at all. So this is my first ever attempt at vegan mac and cheese. I think I've tried it once before actually, and I didn't even finish making it because it turned out so badly, but I feel like it's quite spicy. I did have a little bit of the sauce, but it's basically, I'll leave the recipe down below if anyone's interested, but it's basically potatoes, carrots, a bit of nutritional yeast, and what else is in it?
Onions.
Onions. Onions. What makes it yellow? The carrots. It was really simple to make. Oh, cashew nuts as well. So we will see. You can taste it.
Good.
Does it taste like mac and cheese though?
Mm-hmm.
Not bad though. But I don't quite think it tastes like cheese.
As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow.
It's a little paw on it.
Right, we're ready to go. Go and do this.
You can imagine it's an elk tree drainage process.
Right, what we doing? What? Where's this one?
You have to go in another room, don't you?
Oh, what about you?
No, because this all got to be pushed along. There'll be too much green in the room.
Perfect for toilet. They tried using
Too much green in the room.
dry tumors. That is until about 30 years ago.
It's not in focus.
I'm here to see
Why is it not in focus?
The big reveal.
Well, do it again.
Ready?
Yeah. Anything for you, Dad. I'm here with my dad. I was adopted, but you didn't know I was born.
Doing panorama.
Yeah.
And guess
Oh, look at you. Always got to be in there, eh?
I love you. And but now I'm here. It's me, Buddy. So,
Nice ones in the box.
Okay. A key. What does this unlock?
Just going through all my decorations and I forgot what I had because it's been so long since I opened this box. I think I got this one last year. Joe just said, "Is this from Lord of the Rings?" No. No, it is not. I think I've got all my nice ones here wrapped up. But I can't remember. I know there's a dog and a macaroon. I just found this little deer in a teacup.
You've not seen Home Alone, right?
I will give you that.
You filthy animal.
Well done, everybody.
Well done.
What did you contribute? Absolutely nothing.